My peoples, thanks for tuning in. Right now, I'm just going to show you the basics on how to use the switcher, which is the yard dog, the yard jockey. This right here is going to get you, to get moving if you need to do this at your job or you getting hired somewhere doing this. All right, my people. So stay tuned and watch your mirrors. Focus on your mirrors. It's the most important thing. All right, my peoples. Check it out.
So reverse. Center your fifth wheel. I like to put it on neutral. Accelerate this level here. When you pull it towards you, you're raising it up. When you push it away from you, lower it. And then what you do is, if you're gonna release it, say you're gonna drop the whole thing, put it on neutral drive. Press this, that'll release the fifth wheel. See? Neutral, raise it up. Reverse. Always perform a tug pull. Make sure nobody's around. Pull it. Make sure you're on there. Pop the brake. And because we're only using the red line, that's all we're gonna use, the red line. For some reason, they don't use both lines here. They only use the emergency one, which this line here releases the brakes on your trailer container. So you don't even have to bother that. Plus, we don't even connect the power line because we don't need, well, some companies, they use it, but we don't use it here. The four-way flashers, the signals, we don't use the power cord on this because it's a small yard, so we just go from one end to another end. Yup. See that it's locked on there. So that's basically what it is. Yep, tug pull. I always do a tug pull. Make sure it's on there. And then you trailer brake. You're good to go. Once it releases, you're good to go. That's basically what it is. It's easy, it's simple. It's not a lot of controls or gears here. Yep. Down, up, drive, reverse, neutral, and the steering.